Very good evening, friends. Warm welcome for the webinar series of Eduhome Connect. Today, in this today our second webinar, so back-to-back webinar for you. So we are coming up with the discussion of financial management. My dear friends, this is your paper 11. We have two subjects here, FM and data analytics. Students will have a confusion. Sir, 80% is for FM, 20% is for data analytics. So how I have to prepare, sir? So we are coming up this webinar with everything for. So we know just 10 days for our exam. So we don't want to prolong this webinar and we are not going with any formal way. We are going to be a small short webinar for you just to ensure that we know you are feeling just 11 days for the exam. So you may feeling that, sir, a lot of topic to learn, sir. Capital budgeting, working capital. In working capital, a lot of subtopics are there. Then coming into cost of capital is there, capital structure theory, capital structure decision, leverage analysis, EBA, EPS, indifference analysis, common sense balance sheet, trend ratio. Then we have different topics such as cash flow, fund flow, ratio analysis. Then separate theory chapter also there. The money market, everything discuss it. So more stressor. Can you help us to make you stress free? Yes, we are coming this webinar just to make you stress free. We are coming up with this webinar just to make you stress free. So what we are making, we are discussing how to crack this exam with a smart strategy. See, we know we have just 10 days for the exam. So for your information, if any students who are rating group 2 first time, your exam, first section A, we have 15 into 2, 30 mark MCQ. Students will make a lot of mistakes. They will write the MCQ at the end. This is very wrong thing. Main reason is what? When you plan half an hour for MCQ at the end, maybe some question you may feel difficulty, you take more time, so time will be very less. So MCQ will be in a hurry to complete. So when you complete MCQ in a hurry, lot of small mistake will come. See, for your information, MCQ there is no negative mark. If you select option A and option A is correct, you will get full mark. So you have to concentrate on that. Some theory question and all in section B. If you rate correct as per your ICMA material, 7 mark, they will give you 4 mark only because examiner may not give full mark. But when it comes to MCQ, no one can reduce your mark. So if you're able to crack 15, 20, 30 mark, then rest of the things only we have to look into. No one can be reduce the mark. So I request you to write first the MCQ, prepare that very well. Give some time for revising MCQ also. So in that 30 mark, 25 mark is correct. Balance only we have to look into. No one can reduce your mark. Theory 7 mark. 4 question if you return 28 mark, you will get 10 to 12 mark because they won't mark. Problem if you correct, they will give full mark. Because you have data analytics theory also. So you have to understand that point. But I will tell you how to strategically learn. Here, now coming into next point, that is another very important. I know some friends will thinking that, sir, MCQ, some question I am having doubt, what to do? That you take a last. That is not a problem. But what happened now? If you keep everything at the last, unnecessarily small mistake will lose your important marks. That may change your entire other paper aggregate effect also. So don't do that. Now, how to crack MCQ, I will tell at the end. Now we are going for section B main area. For information, we have question number 2 to 8 we have. That is 7 question we have. So we have to rate 5 out of 7 question. That is, we have 7 question is there, 5 question we have to rate. That is, we have a choice option here. MCQ, no choice. 15 MCQ, we have to rate all the 15. But here, we have to rate only 5 out of the 7. So for the benefit of everyone, I am telling you each chapter weightage. Already we at Eduhome Connect, we have released this exam decoding series where we have already told how the chapter weightage. So we are discussing that in detail for you. See, question number 2A, chapter 2, introduction, that is money market, all those theory chapters where you will get 7 mark. Data analytics also 7 mark. That means this 14 mark is a theory. This 14 mark, if you learn and written also, you will get only around 10 mark maximum. where you have to written chapter 2 theory, as you know, around 40 to 60 pages your ICMA material. Data analytics also we have. So this point you can left out in choice. You can concentrate on high scoring areas. Or if your main area is a theory, you have already prepared theory, you go with theory, no problem at all. But this theory, even if you prepare maximum, they'll give 10 mark only. There is a one limitation for theory. But if you already prepared, go with the theory. But problem, if you feel any difficulty, you can go with the theory. But better choice is what? You can left out this in choice. The main area I'm going to give you. See, this is the unique chapter in it. I'm giving you a shortcut, friends, first. See, capital budgeting chapter alone, you are going to get 14 marks. Only one topic, capital budgeting decision. If you learn, you are getting 14 marks. 7 mark one question, 7 mark one question. In one chapter alone, you are getting 14 mark. MCQ 30. 30, let us assume you are getting only 25. 25 plus 14, 39 mark you are getting from one chapter. You add working capital management 14. If you add, what is the total mark you are getting, friends? 55 mark. Working capital budgeting itself, you are getting 55 mark, my dear friends. If you strategically prepare, why you want to worry? Time is less, lot to study it. Sir, what to do, sir? I don't know how to approach capital budgeting. I prepared basics only, but exams are coming very much tough question. Working capital also lot of area. Estimation is there, receivable management is there, inventory management is there. So I am fully confused here. I'm not able to crack it. I'm not able to prepare very well. Don't worry, friends. Those friends, we are coming with a free webinar for you, my dear friends. We are coming with a marathon session for CMS. We Eduhome Connected want to ensure that June 2025 students, we have to pass this time at any cost. So we Eduhome coming to your home with marathon session where we are discussing all the topic. We are going to practice not basic question, all the capital budgeting previous year question, all the working capital previous year question. And I am going to handle that marathon for you, friends. Where I am going to cover you with a how to crack capital budgeting question. What is the mistake students will do in capital budgeting question? We are going to do all the previous year question MQP released by ICMA for the June 2025. Last day, very last week also we released our MQP schedule. That is also we are going to solve for you, friends. You are starting from Saturday onwards. Sir, it is free? Yes, absolutely free. Marathon is absolutely free for you, no amount at all. And this marathon, we are covering this whole high concept area, high weightage area, paper specific strategy. You can just scan the QR code, then you will get all these things. Or you can follow at our YouTube page. We'll give you all the update in our YouTube page also. So coming to my dear friends, we at Eduhome is committed. Another one point. Let us come to our chapter in education. We want to deal because when I am telling the paper strategy, some friends will feel that, sir, how to study all these things. So we are coming marathon for you friends. Now another. So 14 mark here. You can able to 14 mark strategy, 14 mark. Another one is leverage. Leverage only is one small chapter. 10 minutes of my revision of marathon is enough for you to score 7 mark. So what is the effect, my dear friends? 14 plus 14 plus 7. So 14 plus 14, 28. So you will get here 5, 35 marks, friends. 35 marks from 3 chapter you are getting. From the MCQ 30, 65 marks. MCQ you get 25 also. 60 plus is guaranteed, my dear friends. Why you want to worry a lot of topics to study? I am not ending, my dear friends. A small chapter called cost of capital. Very interesting. Book value, market value. Another 7 marks. So add my difference, 7 marks. So cost of capital, capital budgeting, working capital leverage. These 4 are very, very important. Learn without any compromise. Now what is the next strategy, friends? Next strategy, my dear friends, you can go for ratio 7 mark. You can go for ratio. In your group 2, corporate accounts, anyway you learn cash flow. If cash flow is coming, you can rate. Fund flow time is there, you go for it, my dear friends. Why you want? Who want to rate out of 100? Huh? See, rating 100 rating for 100 mark and getting 40 is best. Or planning properly, rating for 93 mark, getting 80 is best. Which is best? Skip in fund flow, or if you are tough, you can go through our page. We are uploading fund flow statement, easy videos for you where you can crack fund flow also. But timing is important. I want to reduce your burden. Revising fund flow time may take it. Leave it. Sir, I don't like cash flow fund flow ratio. Then keep this fully. Go for it. Common sense, capital budgeting, working capital, capital structure, and data analytics. You can score it. Sir, data analytics theory is the problem. Then coming into ratio analysis. That's all. So data analytics, my dear friends, question number 2 data analytics, question number 8 data analytics, you can skip it, you can score OLFM, but I won't suggest you. Learn data analytics concept because if any problem you feel tough, maybe work capital building very advanced question come, you feel tough, 14 mark you trouble. That's the time you can come to data analytics. If you written theory, at least 8 to 10 mark out of 14 you will get it. So prepare with it. So, my dear friends, we are coming with this marathon, all these updates, and we are also planning, we are also released a video on our group to management accounting also. You can watch the same at our YouTube pages also. You can follow our Telegram and WhatsApp channel where you will get all these updates of our upcoming programs and sessions for you exclusively. Now I know majority friends are waiting. You said everything is correct. We understood how the strategy, and you are coming with a marathon session, revision session, everything. We are happy only. Sir, you are telling in the beginning that how to crack MCQs. Yes, my dear friends, I am coming to that. MCQ, you can easily crack, my dear friends. You can just go with last 3 year, previous year MCQ plus MQP of your ICMA. And if additionally your ICMA study material backs it. If you attended my regular classes at Bharadwaj Institute, Chennai, if you attended my Bharadwaj Institute, Chennai, for them we have given an MCQ booklet. You follow that booklet only. Okay, friends. So what I have to suggest you that prepare properly. For you, one more point I will tell you. I want again shortcuts or again shortcut. Then don't worry. We at Eduhome Connect. This is our page. We are coming lot of resources for you. MCQ also here. So before going to MCQ, all our webinar you can access here. This is the webinar link. You can access all the webinar from here. Apart from that, we are giving all the institute resources at one place where you can able to access free of cost. Webinar also free of cost, resources also free of cost, where you can get all you want MTP, suggested answer, model question paper, anything you want, you can able to get from this point. Now, if you want test platform, I am telling MCQs. We have MCQs written everything, but now we are having very short time, 10 days. So if you want any subjects, you can go for it. I just have a bronze plan for you. Because 10 days, I don't suggest you want to purchase anything. We have only limited time. Yes, you can able to go with anyone. In the silver plan, we are giving you all the chapter attempt and grand MCQ also. What is grand MCQ? See, chapter wise is each chapter wise question. We are not making unnecessarily question. What is your study material backside? Previous year important question only we are testing here. Because if you are making 1,000, 10,000 question, no use. What is relevant for exam only we have to bring it. Clear, friends? Now coming into if you are planning for December exam and all, we have a lot of plan, gold, platinum and all, where we are giving you customized plan for you. We are having a written plan where our expert team will evaluate and will update. That is all required when you are going for December exam only. So my dear friends, hope all of you clear how to approach this exam. So this FM exam, when you are going to approach, you have to approach strategically. So there is no meaning of keeping this prolonged session when we have just 10 days for our exam. So I request you to prepare properly on the weightage we given. What are the chapters? Very important. Capital rating we should not miss. Working capital we should not miss. Leverages. So we are coming with webinar for you. That is marathon for you. So prepare very well, friends. Be ready. And that session, it may be 5 or 7 hours based upon the energy with me, but I will ensure that that will be useful for you. And finally, I have to tell you one small information to everyone. I know some students are writing both groups, some students are writing only one group. You may be going with a lot of stress and pressures. Nothing, my dear friends. The day when the result coming, you will get pass. We don't want 100 out of 100. We want 50 mark. But we are ensuring you 70 plus mark that you can easily score in your group 2. Our professional exams are very predictable exam. That is why I'm standing before and the 3 letter, the CMA is before with me. And I can proudly say I completed the state first rank and all India rank. I'm all India rank holder This is the confidence I am having to tell you that you can able to pass, my dear friends, with ease. All the my dear friends signing off. Will meet you at marathon. God bless you, my dear friends.